Welcome to Afridigit, a digitized hub for technology startup. My name is Kingsley Anyi.
Our topic today is how to hide your YouTube subscribers using laptop, PC, 2021. To hide your YouTube subscribers from people or from viewers, what you have to do is log into your YouTube account. Then after you might have logged in your YouTube account, that is what I mean by YouTube account is open your YouTube channel. Then click your profile here. Select YouTube Studio, right? Then go to settings, click settings. Then after that, after the pop-up form that is bearing all the settings, go to channel, click channel. Then select advanced settings. Then within the advanced settings form, scroll down. Then here is where you see subscribers count. Display the number of people subscribed to my channel. Then what you have to do in order to hide the number of subscribers from your channel is to just simply declick this. Then go to save. Save the whole process. Done. Settings saved. So now your subscribers has been hidden from the viewers. Thank you very much, and do not forget to subscribe. Hit the notification bell for more videos. Remain blessed. Thanks.